What's up, y'all? It's your girl Weft&Wig back again with another video. As you can see today, I don't have my typical look. I look like a young black Cher, and I want to get into the details of this hair. You know what I'm saying?
Okay, I'm going to. Let's move past that.
So today I partnered with Youth Beauty. I love this company. They ship really quickly, and the hair is a really good quality. This is how it looks after it's washed and blown out. I got the 20-inch natural hair color 13x6 lace front wig. The density is 130%. It had a pre-plucked hairline, but I went in and I modified it a little bit. And the cap size is medium, and the lace color is medium brown. It also states that there is a lot of parting room at the top of the hair at the front, and there are more wefts at the crown, which is very true. This hair is super full. It's like ridiculous. Now I'm going to use this moment right here to post a picture of the hair when I first got it out of the package. You can see here I have the lace on the front, and it's like not plucked at all. Like, it's pre-plucked, but it's not like customized at all. So here's a picture of that. Let that soak in, let it all soak in. And you can like clearly just see like how I did it right here. You know what I'm saying? And I cut off the lace and all that jazz, okay? Now, when I took this wig out of the package, I was very pleased because it actually came with 2 wig caps, and they're in that medium color that is like actually my skin tone. I don't know if they send this color to everybody or if they sent it to me because they knew who I was and they knew what skin color I was, but I really appreciated that they sent these. I used one of them. It comes with 2. And you guys know, even if it's not your color, you're lighter or darker or what have you, you can use makeup to like blend it out and pat it in and get it to where it is your actual color. It just came in one of these regular USPS packages, and it came here like really quick, which I was a little surprised at because usually USPS takes a long time. So I guess when they shipped it, wherever they shipped it from, they did it really quick, like that day that I sent them my information, they shipped it that day. And it came with this Youth Beauty like hair hanger, so your hair is being protected when you store it. Now, first impressions of this hair, I was very pleased with it. It was so silky and smooth and pretty. It has a really dark, rich color. And another thing about this hair that I noticed when I first took it out of the package was that it smelled really good, and I've never experienced that when working with a hair company before. Usually they either smell like they've been processed a lot, they smell like they've been in a warehouse for a long time, or something like that, where they've just been in the mail truck forever. But this hair smelled really good. It smelled just like conditioner. It didn't smell like it was covered up with perfume. Like, it genuinely, like, truly just smelled good. So if I wanted to be lazy and disgusting and not wash it before putting it on my head, I could do that and people wouldn't be looking at me like, what warehouse did you come from? Maybe they would have looked at me crazy for the non-bleached knots that this wig had on it, but you know, we all know that when you get a wig, you customize it to how you like it. Very long hair, 20 inches, beautiful. It gave me so much room to do like a sideburn and all that. This side, I'm not gonna lie to you, I didn't glue it down because I left too much of my sideburns out, and I didn't want to like put glue or adhesive directly on it and glue it down. So what I'm going to do is I'm just gonna finesse this part and leave a little bit of hair out whenever I do my styling, because I just care way too much about this part right here to let all that go to waste over a wig. It looks really good though. It came with baby hairs, and I kind of just cut some of them off and swooped what I had left. I did a little bit of manipulation to it. It's a full lace wig. You can really do whatever you want. I kind of like plastered my baby hairs down, so I think I'm gonna rock with this style for a little bit, but you know, versatile. So I got my flat iron going, and I have my clips, and I'm just gonna put a few curls in it and spray it with a little bit of hairspray, because I want to show you guys how even though this hair is straight, it still can hold a curl. I tested this out last night, and I think that Sometimes, you know, you get hair and it looks whack one way and cute the other way, or you get curly hair and when you try to straighten it, it looks terrible. Sorry, this hair is so silky that it like keeps dropping out of my clip. But anyways, like I was saying, a lot of times you get like curly hair and if you try to straighten it, it looks trash, or you get straight hair and it can't hold the curl. So I want to show you guys like how cute and versatile this hair actually is. Okay, so I'm going to use my flat iron, I'm going to do some curls in it and spray it a little bit and show you guys the finished product. So if you want to be down for the ride, see how I curl my hair, stay tuned. I have my straightener on pretty high heat. This hair can withstand it. I've tried this before, so don't you worry. And in this room that I'm in, it's like my spare room, so I don't have too much of like a vanity setup, so I'm gonna be like on the struggle bus looking to see how this looks. And I did put heat protectant on it when I blow dried it, so I'm not gonna reapply it again because I'm not a fan of the sizzle or the smell that comes out of burnt heat protectant. So let's go into it. Curls. Pretty curls. I like to kind of grope my curls like this so that they don't fall. So I went ahead and changed my shirt because I realized that wearing a black shirt may not be the best option for showing you guys black hair. Maybe I'm crazy, maybe I'm right, maybe I'm wrong. You tell me. I also got my handy dandy wand, so we're gonna see how the hair works on a tool like this. That's pretty. Wow. Woo child. I haven't used this wand in forever, so. Okay, that's cute. I think I like the wand style better than the other one. Let me just also apologize in advance if my armpits look a little ratchet because I've been on the road for the past few days and I didn't bring any razors. Amazing. Hold on, let me show you guys this like up close. This is beautiful. I'm gonna look like I'm going to a wedding or something. Okay, so this is the finished product of both sides. You see how shiny this is? So I don't like my curls to be that tight, so I'm just going to run through it. I'm not using a brush because I don't want to completely wreck the curls. I'm just running through it, and we're doing volume today. I feel like I look like somebody from back in the days, maybe like the 70s. And although this hair holds curls really well, I've never had a hairstyle with curls that didn't drop, so I'm just gonna leave room for that and not manipulate it too much. And you'll know, like I said before, I'm not doing that whole gluing down my baby hairs thing, so I'm just gonna go behind my ear with this side because I feel like it just frames my face a lot better when I have hair behind my ear. Now, just as my last touch, so that the top of my hair doesn't get ratchet and that it lays down, I like to use a styling foam, like a styling wrap foam, 2 pumps, and lay it down just like that. This hair is absolutely beautiful. I can honestly say that I'm a big fan of Youth Beauty hair, from the hair itself to the shipping, how quick it was to get shipped, all the way to the packaging and how it came with that silk, you know, little carrier. The customer service was just amazing, and I'm sure they'll be amazing to you too. I also have a coupon code. It's in the description box below. It's WR30, and you can get 30% off on your unit. This hair usually retails for $249. I know people don't really say that in the video, but I just want to let y'all know it retails for $249. But with the 30% off, you get it for $175. Okay, I did the math for you. Go ahead and get you some hair and slay it and wear it curly, wear it straight, wear it in a bun. This is a full lace unit, so you can put it up if you want to. I am not really trying to go through all that trouble of securing the back because I'm lazy, but you know, it looks good just like this. So I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. Make sure to like, subscribe, comment, and share. Follow all my social media accounts right down there. Let me know if you like this video. Let me know if you like this kind of video. And if you made it to the end, again, leave either a purple heart or a unicorn emoji. You guys know I love you so much, and I can't wait to see you in the next video. I'm really excited to be producing content more frequently these days, so let me know what you want to see. Okay? Love you. Come to see you, 'cause my clouds are full of blues when I'm not with you.